So today I'm going to talk about my wok. Yes, I ordered a wok from China, no less. Right? You know me. I normally never order from China unless I have to. I normally try to buy local or manufactured in G7 countries. But some things, like a wok, are best ordered from China because that's where they make them the best, by hand, hammered over time through a forging process, a polishing process, and a seasoning process, and making the wok all in one piece. So let me take you on this little journey. The first thing is I was looking for a wok. So I was watching typical YouTube channels, reading reviews, and of course I came across one channel here, Jason and Angie. Okay. And they are the ones who sold me on this wok. So congratulations. If that's what your intentions were, you actually sold me a wok. I ordered it about 2 months ago and it took a while to get here. I don't know if that's because I had to make it first or what, but it did get here a couple of days ago. So I followed the instructions that I saw Jason do with his wok, cleaning it, getting it ready. And I actually did this egg test.
Moment of truth.
Now, I didn't put the hallelujah music in the background, but I got fairly similar results, which we're going to see in a minute. So, link to Jason and Angie. Watch their channel. It's pretty cool. They really know what they're doing when it comes to woks. And I can't wait to start cooking as good, if not better, than they do. And that's just a matter of time, you know. So what I did is I bought it from AliExpress. Basically, this is the wok. And in Canadian dollars, it's actually gone on sale. So you can get it now, depending which size you want and if you want it seasoned or not. Okay. I chose to have it seasoned or blackened so that I don't have to do it in my house. The next thing I ordered was a cover for the burner. Okay. So this is kind of a cover that holds the wok and it holds it in place on the cast iron burner. And it's really cool. And it probably fits like almost everybody's burner except mine. So I had to make some filing adjustments to my burner. I also ordered, which I have not received yet, but should be in shortly, a spatula and ladle set, hand hammered Chinese. And finally, a bamboo whisk to clean it. So let's have a look at my wok and my egg test and my cleaning and my filing and everything else I had to do to get it working, which didn't take very much time at all. So I got my wok. Finally, handmade in China. You can see it's been hammered and hammered and hammered. And they seasoned it for me under hot flames with oil. So you can see the beautiful tint all around. That would take days to do in my kitchen. And it would set off 3 of the 4 smoke alarms for sure. So I'm very happy that I didn't have to do it this time. And it's got a beautiful insignia on it. I just wish I knew what it meant. I'm assuming it's either the company logo or the master who crafted this fine piece. What's interesting about this wok, which you can't buy here, is if you notice, it's all one piece. They literally banged it together, you see? So basically this was originally one big round piece that was cut out like that, and they banged it into a handle. You can see how they banged it in, and it's one piece of metal. So this is great because there's no welds and there's no rivets on the inside that, you know, get dirty and hard to clean. And also this is a perfectly round wok. So that goes on this holder here. And I'll show you how I use the setup, because when you cook with a wok, if you don't know, the heat's in the middle. And these hammer marks all around enables you to cook in the middle of the wok, and then pull food to the sides, and the foods will stick on the sides and stay warm while you introduce something else. So you could start with onions and meat, and then pull it to the side, and then throw in veggies, and then cook the veggies, and then stir fry it all together. So yeah, can't wait to get to work with this. And we'll do an egg test. An egg test is where the seasoning is so perfect that you can fry an egg and it won't stick. So it's like the ultimate non-stick surface. Okay, so I bought this cast iron, which seems to be standard and fits most grills, but I have a Samsung. So as you can see, when I go to put it on, it doesn't slide past these, because I have these things that come out, so it didn't sit. Now you could use it like that, but it's very dangerous because it slides, and you could slide the wok off. So it's important that it sits. So all I did was take a file, okay, and you can see I ground a little angle on each of my things here, there, and there, and now we'll just take a look and we'll see how it just sits in there perfectly. So here I'm just bringing it to a boil. I've washed it with soap and water, and I'm bringing it to a boil just to get all the remaining, get any of that oil they put on for shipping so it wouldn't rust. I took this out of this burner, and this is my wok cooking burner. And then I'm just going to use a lighter. And you can see under there again, if you want to look, it's heating up the wok. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to heat the wok up a bit and let it get hot before I put the oil in. And then I have my egg. And I guess I'll use this rounded spatula here, which is similar to what they use. Yeah. And I'm thinking it's ready to fry. Yeah. And maybe I put too much. Tell it, fry this ready. So my egg is frying. Oh, I broke my yolk. Don't shake the pan until it's set. And didn't exactly pass it, but not bad. And that'll get better as I start cooking and the more seasoned it gets. So we'll have a fried egg. Let me get a plate. Oh, it all came out. Look at my pan, non-stick. And look at my egg, both sides. Fried egg. Nice? I'm gonna like it. And all I need to do is whisk the frying pan to clean out all the pieces on the frying pan. That's it. That's it. And then we just dry it down with a nice clean towel. And we're good.